Hey guys, it's your boy HSam here, and today we are going to be doing a video of YouTube, and today we are going to be updating Ranger Screamer. It looks like I'm up and down with this room on my iPad. And today we are talking about FIFA. We're going to be doing Call of Duty Zombies on 5. Yeah, 5. So that's good. That's all I have to talk about. Being your boy HSam Gaming, a whole with you about. It's been HSam. Please like.